Hello everyone, and thank you for checking out Mr. Quik, a weather update here. We're looking at storms for Tuesday. We're going to start today warm, muggy. There's a chance for a spotty storm in the morning, but it's not the morning that we're going to be really that concerned. It's as we go into the afternoon, we do expect scattered storms to move into and through the area here as we go, especially towards 3 to 5 p.m. We'll have temperatures actually get fairly close to 90 around, I think, 2 o'clock or so tomorrow, and then we'll see some of that rain-cooled air push in by 5 p.m. So here's a look at the overall thinking here for timing of storms. The time slots shown here put it into Indianapolis here around 3 to 5 p.m. As you can see, the most severe storms will be west, but I think we'll get some pretty healthy storms in parts of our area here tomorrow afternoon. Damaging wind and some hail. That's the biggest concern with these storms tomorrow. So tomorrow is definitely a day where you want to be weather aware. As we look at the future radar here as we go throughout the day Tuesday, again, the best chance for storms will blossom here, especially by 3 to 5 p.m. for those storms to push through. And if we look at the extended forecast, I have some good news when we look forward here. Again, a 70% chance of storms tomorrow. In the afternoon, we'll have a high temperature of 89. Wednesday, we hold on to the warmth and humidity. A little bit of a lower storm chance on Wednesday. We'll have a better chance as we go into overnight Wednesday and through the first half of Thursday. We'll start to diminish that chance later in the day Thursday as we see much cooler temperatures. Highs only in the 70s Thursday. And we'll keep highs in the 70s Friday and Saturday, below average. And not only that, but we're looking at dry weather and mostly sunny skies. Friday, Saturday, and we're going to keep the dry weather through Sunday too. What an incredible stretch of weather that we have in the forecast right now as we look toward the weekend. So this is good news if you're looking ahead toward Friday and Saturday. Weather by then is looking really nice. So we just need to get through the next few days. Again, a good thing is we're picking up more much needed rain. Hopefully things will start looking a little greener out there with these rain chances that we continue to see as we go throughout the next few days. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.